Welcome. We're going back to the Mustang again today. Apologies for the sound in this, my microphone's went and died on me, doesn't charge, who knows. So you're stuck with the iPhone sound, but never mind, we'll crack on anyway. Right, for those of you that are following for Mustang content, this is a good one for today. And it's quite a common thing. It happened in my 05 to 09 car, and it happened in the S197s as well, but the third level brake light. I don't think they've ever got these right on these cars. If you like the stripes, by the way, go and check out my previous video. So these brake lights, mine's is oxidised quite badly here, right? Very cloudy looking, and no matter how much you polish that, you're never going to get that back to being crystal clear. It's kind of cloudy inside it as well. So you can replace this pretty easily. And what I've got is a smoked black LED one. I'll just take out the packaging and show you. And I got this off of, I think it was Amazon I got this from, but you can get them all over the place, Amazon and eBay and stuff. And this one, as you can see, has got the LEDs inside, but it's a kind of clear smoked black lens on it. So it'll give it more of a stealthier look compared to the stock one. So we're going to replace that. I'm going to stick on the GoPro in my head here and see if I can film it twice for you doing the actual repair. But I've actually got the trunk lining off already. So to do this, it's quite easy. Don't need to disconnect anything like that. Don't need to disconnect batteries or anything like that. So I'll video the whole thing, but you essentially have to remove the trunk lining here, which I've got here. So I'll overlay the video of me doing that. It's essentially just popping out some of the plastic poppers and then taking that off. So the plastic poppers, I've got them all there. There's quite a few of them. Take them all out and your cover comes out and you get access to the 3 screws, one there, and one there, and you remove the electrical connector for the light and pop it out, and that is literally it. So let's crack on and go ahead with that, and we'll see what the LED smoked replacement looks like. Let's go. Right, so Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew these little plastic retainers. If you get one that spins, you can just get a little pry tool, which we'll go over here and get. Like so. There we are. Then we can remove the electrical connector. And this should just slide right out. There you go, give you an idea of the comparison. You can see how badly that one's oxidised. There we go, so that is back in. 3 screws are all connected, and what I would suggest you do before you put the trunk lining on is test it out. So let's do that. Right, so there we have it. Out with this junky old thing and in with the stealth look. With that one, that looks much better than the rear end now. Much cleaner, much better, much nicer than this, which oxidises. And like I said before, this happened in my old Mustang, my old 5 one, and it happens on the SN95s as well. They tend to kind of crack because they're sitting. The SN95 brake lights aren't like that, they're on the top here. They tend to crack quite easily. These ones don't crack, they just oxidise. So, that wraps up another video. A nice little easy DIY job that you can do yourself. Give it a shot. This was an aftermarket piece that I bought off of, like I say, I think it was eBay or Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. And it was about £40. It's about $50–60. So, have a look. Get one for yourself if you want to do that. Nice little easy upgrade. And we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.